Paano nga ba yung World Income Fund Mutual Fund? But for beginners, i-define muna natin kung ano muna yung mutual funds. So imagine, nag-contribute kayo ng friends mo at nagkaroon kayo ng pera, and then yung pera na yun, ibibigay niyo yun sa isang company. Yung company naman, i-invest nila through investment sa business or sa pautang or combination of both, either local or international companies. As a return, bibigyan naman kayo ng units or shares. So, ganun yung mutual funds. It's a pooled fund ng mga different investors, and then, i-invest siya ng companies sa different types of investments. And in return, bibigyan kanya ng shares. So, magkano nga ba yung shares or units? So, makikita mo siya online at sunlife.com.ph, and then just click the three lines and then go to investments, click NAVs or NAVPU, and then hahanapin mo lang yung World Income Fund. So currently, ang presyo ng World Income Fund or WIF, 1.0284 pesos. I-click natin yung fund fact sheet to know more information about this fund. Siya naka-invest almost 50% sa US equity. So, companies sa US, so mga businesses. Fixed income, ibig sabihin mga pautang. So, around 22%. Better appreciate this, mag-example tayo. Kung wari, meron tayong 110,088.56 initial investment. So, magkano yun ang kinita niya from December 2023 until August 2024? From capital appreciation, kumita na siya ng unrealized gain of 4,075.35. So, around 3.70%. So, monthly, minus the taxes, so, a total of 4,106. So, for 9 months, ito yung kinita niya. So, increase ng units niya and dividends, ito yung kinita niya, 8,182.21. With everything that I've said, this fund is not for everyone. Because if you have the time, the energy, the knowledge, the interest, go directly invest na lang sa US stock market. Kung ikukumpara mo naman siya sa other dividend na income, katulad ng MP2, ang edge naman ng MP2 is wala siyang taxes. Ang maganda naman sa WIF Mutual Fund is naka-diversify siya sa ibang bansa. So if you want to diversify your fund abroad, you can use this fund. And ang maganda sa kanya is monthly yung kanyang dividends that you can use for your monthly bills.